Today, I'm going to show you how to install Riv-Nuts for your FlipStep. This is your Riv-Nut installation tool. It consists of a few parts, including a jack nut, a castled coupling nut, a 1/4-20 bolt, and washer. To assemble your install tool, first place on the washer, then the castled coupling nut with the castle facing downwards, and then put on your Riv-Nut. After the Riv-Nut install tool is assembled, go ahead and place the assembly into one of the holes that you drilled and tap it in with a hammer. Next, grab a pair of vice grips or something to hold on to the coupling nut. With a firm grip on the coupling nut, use a ratchet to tighten down the bolt and set the Riv-Nut. Careful not to over-tighten. You'll know the Riv-Nut's set when it becomes hard to tighten. At this point, it's really easy to over-tighten the Riv-Nut and strip it out, so be very careful to stop when it becomes just firm. Once the Riv-Nut feels set, you can go ahead and back it out and unscrew the bolt. And there you go, that is a set Riv-Nut. Now you just have to do it 5 more times.